Hi, I'm Josh with Columbia Safety and Supply, and in this video we're taking a look at these arborist wire core flip line kits from Pelican Ropes. Of all the gear in your arborist arsenal, the one piece that sees some of the most abuse is your flip line. Due to that constant wear and tear, poorly built flip lines rarely make it through multiple seasons of use. But leave it to Pelican Ropes, the world's most trusted name in climbing rope, to make a safer, tougher, all-around better performing flip line kit. These convenient kits include all necessary components in one easy to buy package, eliminating the need to part out a lanyard or worry about compatibility issues, and they're available in two easy options. The all-in-one flip line kit comes with an aluminum mini rope grab for positioning, where the Better Grab flip line kit features the new Better Grab adjuster. This flip line kit with a mini rope grab has been standard in the arborist industry for many years. Pelican has manufactured tens of thousands of these flip lines in their factory in Santa Ana, California. Their newest flip line kit features their Pro Climb Better Grab. What makes a better grab? Better grip, better control, and better materials. The Better Grab is built with a stainless steel core and an ergonomic rubberized cover. The anodized aluminum cam reduces wear and has a large thumb rest for precise control. All this yields a kit that is the new standard for arborist work. Both kits also feature a copperhead triple locking aluminum carabiner on the positioning device. These flip lines are constructed with a tough 16-strand polyester Pelican rope cover and a cut-resistant steel core made from 7x19 aircraft cable. For your other hardware option, you can choose between a fixed-eye steel snap hook or a swivel-eye steel snap hook, and they're available in 6 to 15-foot lengths. One very important thing to note is that due to the wire core, these flip lines should not be used near electrical lines. To see these flip line kits and a full selection of arborist gear, head over to colsafety.com. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media channels. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to at-height industry and construction. Find it all at gearexperts.com.